Are you looking for ways to keep your home spotless without exhausting yourself? As we age, staying on top of household chores can feel daunting, but it doesn't have to be that way. By incorporating a few effortless habits into your daily routine, you can maintain a clean and organized living space with minimal effort. Today, we'll explore 24 simple cleaning habits specifically tailored for seniors. These tips are designed to make cleaning easier, save you time, and keep your home looking fantastic. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips like this. 1. Adopt the 1 minute rule. The 1 minute rule is a game changer. If a task takes less than a minute to complete, do it immediately. Wipe a quick spill, hang up your coat, or place dirty dishes directly into the dishwasher instead of the sink. Over time, these tiny actions prevent clutter from piling up. For example, Margaret, a retired librarian aged 69, shared how she keeps a small microfiber cloth in her pocket. Whenever she notices dust on a surface, she wipes it as she moves between rooms. It's incredibly satisfying to do small things that add up to a cleaner home, she says. 2. Invest in smart cleaning tools. Modern technology can make cleaning almost effortless. Robot vacuums, self-cleaning litter boxes, and automatic shower cleaners are fantastic investments. A retired engineer, Mike, aged 71, nicknamed his robot vacuum Dusty because it handles the floors every morning while he enjoys his coffee. He says, "It's like having a helper that doesn't need breaks." Consider a self-wringing mop for quick cleanups as it saves you from bending over. Tools like these do the heavy lifting, so you don't have to. 3. Use Lazy Susan turntables for easy access. Lazy Susan turntables are not just for the dining table. These rotating trays can be used in your kitchen, bathroom cabinets, or even under the sink to make hard-to-reach items more accessible. And a retired teacher aged 73 uses one in her pantry for cooking essentials. No more struggling to reach the olive oil or vinegar. I just give it a spin, she explains. Under the bathroom sink, they're great for organizing toiletries and cleaning supplies. 4. Practice daily surface cleaning rather than tackling an entire room at once. Focus on frequently used surfaces like countertops, dining tables, or your nightstand. A quick wipe down each day prevents dust and grime from building up. Jessica, a retired chef aged 65, makes it a habit to clean her stovetop after every meal. A 2-minute wipe saves hours of scrubbing later, she says. Pre-moistened cleaning wipes placed in each room can also make this habit seamless. 5. Use a laundry hamper with wheels. Laundry doesn't have to be a back-breaking task. Switch to a hamper with wheels to make transporting clothes to the washing machine easier. Edward, a retired nurse aged 70, says, "My old basket was heavy, but my wheeled hamper glides effortlessly." To make sorting laundry less time-consuming, keep separate hampers for whites, darks, and delicates. 6. Stick to spot cleaning bathrooms. Keeping the bathroom clean doesn't have to be a major chore. After every shower, use a squeegee to wipe down the walls and glass doors to prevent soap scum buildup. Spray surfaces with a no-rinse cleaner every couple of days for extra shine. Diane, a retired nurse aged 71, brushes her teeth while using an old washcloth to wipe down tiles. It's multitasking at its finest, she says. Another simple hack is keeping a small spray bottle of vinegar and water on the counter for quick touch-ups. 7. Declutter as you go. Gradual decluttering keeps your space organized without overwhelming you. Adopt the habit of removing one unused item each week. Donate an old sweater or toss expired pantry goods. Laura, a retired writer aged 74, keeps a small donation box by her front door. If I don't love it or use it, it goes, she explains. John, a 72-year-old retired mechanic, follows a one-in, one-out rule. For every new item I bring home, I get rid of an old one. 8. Outsource when possible. Sometimes being smart means knowing when to ask for help. Hiring a professional cleaner for deep cleaning once a month can be a worthwhile investment. Carol, a retired artist aged 70, saves for this luxury by cutting back on dining out. Having someone else clean my blinds and baseboards gives me so much peace of mind, she says. If a professional service isn't in your budget, consider hiring a neighborhood teenager for chores. They're affordable and eager to help. 9. Keep a cleaning caddy in each room. Avoid running back and forth for cleaning supplies by storing a small caddy in every major area of your home. Fill it with essentials like multi-surface cleaner, microfiber cloths, and disposable gloves. Mark, a retired florist aged 67, uses decorative baskets to blend his caddies with his decor. It's convenient and doesn't ruin the aesthetic of my home, he says. 10. Adopt the basket trick for clutter. Place a basket in each room to gather stray items throughout the day. Once a day, spend a few minutes returning everything to its rightful place. Linda, a retired seamstress aged 72, calls this her evening wind-down routine. I listen to soothing music while tidying up. It's calming and productive, she shares. Another option is color-coded baskets for each family member, which makes tidying up a fun, family-wide effort. 11. Microwave cleaning hack. Cleaning your microwave has never been easier. Fill a bowl with water and a splash of vinegar. Microwave it for 5 minutes and let the steam loosen grime. Wipe it clean with minimal effort. Julie, a retired chef aged 66, loves this trick. It keeps my microwave spotless and the vinegar smell fades quickly. For a fresher scent, add a slice of lemon. 12. Create a done-for-you cleaning schedule. Simplify your routine by using apps or printable charts to break cleaning tasks into manageable chunks. Paul, a retired accountant aged 72, uses an app to remind him to vacuum on Mondays and wipe down the fridge on Fridays. It's like having a personal assistant, he says. For a more traditional approach, hang a checklist on your fridge for daily satisfaction as you tick off completed tasks. 13. Embrace the drop zone concept. Create a designated area near your entrance for essentials like keys, mail, and shoes to prevent clutter from spreading throughout your home. Susan, a retired librarian aged 71, turned an old side table into her drop zone. Everything has a place, and I never lose my keys anymore, she says. Adding hooks for jackets, hats, or bags can make this spot even more functional and tidy. 14. Double duty cleaning while watching TV. Use your TV time wisely by pairing it with light cleaning tasks. Fold laundry, dust surfaces, or sort through mail while enjoying your favorite shows. Bob, a retired mail carrier aged 67, combines this habit with reruns of his favorite sitcoms. It's amazing how much you can get done during a 30-minute episode, he shares. Even sorting socks during a drama series can be surprisingly therapeutic. 15. Make bedtime a reset time. Spend 5 minutes tidying up your living room before bed. Fluff pillows, straighten blankets, and clear any clutter. Alice, a retired nurse aged 72, includes this ritual in her nighttime routine. Waking up to a tidy space sets a positive tone for the day. She says, for added relaxation, light a scented candle or play calming music. 16. Switch to easy clean fabrics. Opt for furniture covers, rugs and curtains made from stain-resistant or easy-to-wash materials. Joyce, a retired interior designer aged 74, recommends microfiber or leather for sofas. Spills just wipe right off, no stress, she explains. In the kitchen, rubber-backed rugs are a practical alternative as they're slip-resistant and easy to hose down. 17. Use a folding cart for chores. A lightweight folding cart can be a lifesaver for carrying groceries, laundry, or cleaning supplies around your home. Henry, a retired gardener aged 73, uses his cart to transport yard tools. It feels like having an extra pair of hands, he says. Whether indoors or outdoors, this tool can save your back and simplify chores. 18. Set a timer for quick cleaning bursts. Commit to cleaning for just 10 to 15 minutes at a time using a timer. When the timer goes off, stop, but you'll often be amazed by how much you've accomplished. Nancy, a retired nurse aged 68, swears by this technique. It keeps me motivated and I never feel overwhelmed, she says. Try cleaning during commercial breaks or while waiting for something to cook. 19. Keep plants to reduce dust. Indoor plants not only improve air quality but also help reduce dust. Lily, a retired botanist aged 76, keeps low-maintenance plants like snake plants and pothos in her living room. They freshen the space and require minimal care, she explains. Plus, wiping the leaves occasionally doubles as a quick cleaning activity. 20. Leverage multi-purpose cleaners. Simplify your cleaning routine with versatile products that work on multiple surfaces. For example, an all-purpose spray can handle glass, wood, and countertops without switching bottles. Carol, a retired school principal aged 70, says, "It's so convenient. I can clean an entire room in one go." 21. Use over-the-door organizers. Maximize vertical space with over-the-door organizers. These handy tools are perfect for storing shoes, cleaning supplies, or pantry items. Kathy, a retired seamstress aged 72, uses one in her bathroom to keep toiletries off the counter. It keeps everything neat and easy to grab, she says. In the kitchen, they work wonders for organizing spices, snacks, or cleaning tools. 22. Label everything. Keep your home organized with clear labels on containers, bins, and shelves. Martha, a retired librarian aged 76, swears by her label maker. No more guessing which jar has flour or sugar, she explains. For temporary needs, sticky notes work well in storage areas like garages or workshops. 23. Utilize a cordless hand vacuum. A small, lightweight cordless vacuum is perfect for quick cleanups. Claire, a retired accountant aged 74, keeps one near her couch to pick up crumbs. It's so convenient. I don't have to lug out the big vacuum, she says. These handheld vacuums are also great for cars, patio furniture, and stairs. 24. Install peel and stick tiles. For easy maintenance, peel and stick tiles are a game changer for kitchen backsplashes or bathroom floors. They're affordable, easy to install, and simple to clean. Richard, a retired carpenter aged 72, used them in his bathroom. They look great and wipe clean in seconds, he says. These tiles are also a fantastic way to refresh a room without professional help. By adopting these lazy cleaning habits, you'll be working smarter, not harder. Each small step adds up, making your home a more comfortable and welcoming space. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who might benefit, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tips on living your best life. Let us know your favorite cleaning hacks in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.